The reason I became a chef is it's always been in me, the passion, the creativity. I love when you're in the kitchen and you're fighting the clock to make sure all the plates get out. I love all that. Everything that goes with it, the pressure, the creativity, everything. The one piece of advice for new chefs that I'd love to give is go with your heart. Learn that you're going to go through a lot, that it's not easy. You're going to work every weekend like everybody tells you, and you truly do. And during the rough times, remember it's the passion that gets you through. There's been many times I've been in the weeds, and what you mean by in the weeds is that nothing is going right. You know, you could have burnt a side dish and then you can't catch up, or you have all the restaurant fill up all at once and you're short-staffed. And yeah, there's been many times I've been in the weeds, and some you get out really well, and other times you just want to sit and cry.